Okay, now look at this diagram we have here. So I've named it A, B, C, then D here. Now let's get the value of V first. So I wrote from triangle ABC, that's ABC, the whole of this triangle. What can we say? We can say using Pythagoras theorem, Pythagoras rule. And what do we say? We can say that what? Your V squared is equal to 6 squared plus 8 squared. Right? So V squared is equal to 36 plus 64. V squared is equal to 100. So your V will now be square root of 100, which is equal to 10. Easy, right? Now, how do we get W? I think the best thing to do is to split uh, the line AC into two. That's why we have AD and we have DC. So let AD, let it be A. If it is A, then DC will be 10 minus A, because when you add the two together, it must give you 10. Don't forget that it's V. Now, having done that, from triangle ABD, what can we say? Using Pythagoras rule again. Using Pythagoras rule. What can we say? We can say that your 6 squared is equal to what? W squared plus A squared. Am I correct? Then you keep this one as equation 1. Then you go to the next triangle. That's triangle BDC. What can we say again? Using the same Pythagoras rule, what can we say from there? We can say that your 8 squared, 8 is the hypotenuse, 8 squared is what? W squared plus 10 minus A all squared. Yes or no? Now this is equation 2. Don't forget that from each of the equations, you can make W the sum of the formula. So from 1, I can say that W squared is equal to what? 6 squared minus A squared. So W squared is 36 minus A squared. Now from 2, I can say that what? W squared is 8 squared minus 10 minus A all squared. Right? Now, bring the two together. If you bring the two together, what do we have now? We have that 36 minus A squared equals to 8 squared minus 10 minus A all squared. So 36 minus A squared is what? 64 minus 10 minus A all squared. Open that 10 minus A, what do we have? 36 minus A squared, which is equals to 64 minus, yes, 100 minus 20A plus A squared. You can do that in your closet. Are you with me? Then, open it again, what do we have? 36 minus A squared is equals to what? 64 minus 100 plus 20A minus A squared. Are you with me? Now, let's continue from there. Collect like terms. We have 36 minus 64 plus 100 minus A squared plus A squared, which is equals to 20A. I put 20A on the right hand side. Now, 36 minus 64 plus 100, what will it give you? 72, which is equals to, don't forget that minus A squared plus A squared will give you 0, equals to 20A over 20 over 20. What's your A? A should give you, if 72 divided by 2 is 36, 72 divided by 20 should give you 3.6. Recall that 36 equals to W squared plus A squared, right? So your W squared will be what? 36 minus A squared, right? So W squared will be what? 36 minus 3.6 squared, which is 36 minus 12.96, which equals to what? 23.04. So your W will have a square root of 23.04. So your W will be equals to what? 4.8. Put W squared here, W squared here. Therefore, your V is 10 and your W is 4.8.